it is not accepting, because in the while reading the first number consists of a 4 bit, automatically it is taking, right? Clear? Yes. Now enter two integers. I'm entering 1 2 3, and it will get confusion, 900 and 800. Let me check what we are getting an output. So 900 and 800 where as it is getting, right? Here 9 digits, 3 width, 4 width and 3 width number we have to supposed to enter. If I enter, let me check what it will happens. Okay, so I'm giving 3 4 5 6 and second number is 5 5, because it is a 4 width, right? Or let me make 890. I'm taking 5 width. Okay, now it is not accepting the third width number. Clear? So likewise it will happens. Okay, it 3 digit it will store 3 4 5 and 6 will store in the second, and 558 will be stored in the third number. Clear? Because we have given the wrong inputs. Okay, now it is asking for enter 3 digit number. I am entering 1 2. Let me check what it will happen. If you see here, the output has come here as the rest 90, which is not displayed in the above, is taken as the first number, and another 2 digit is taken as a from this enter number. Okay, likewise it will execute. Clear? Yes. Alt enter. Now I am coming here. Okay, now you are familiar with the second one, and what is a percentage star and exponent form. If I want to display the value in the exponent form, I'm copying this. Already we have explained. Let me check once again. Okay, let me copy. I will take new file and I'm saving. While saving, we have to confirm, is there any mistakes? No mistakes, right? Yes. What we have to add, hash include std.h hash include conio.h and void main and failure scr clear screen. And here you are seeing here point 12 means precision should be appear, get ch. Before ending the program we have to give this, right? So this is reading a number both in decimal and exponential notation, right? I'm saving it as, I'm confirming in my folder ext.c. okay, I'm saving and I'm opening my editor. We have to enter the value x and y, and I'm mentioning it in float and exponent form. Okay, so then better it is while giving that only we can able to understand, right? Now I'm coming to editor. This is my editor. I'm pressing the alt enter and I'm opening my file. What is that? exp.c. yes, I'm pressing the F2 key and I'm compiling and I'm running. Now it is asking enter the value of x and y in float and exponent form. So first I'm inputting 123.456. this is my first number, and I'm entering the second number as 1.2 2. Okay, I'm just entering. Let us just see what is the output we are getting. Clear? Just for understanding purpose, 123.456001 has appeared, and 1 to 120. Why it is 120? 1.2 into 10 to the power of 2. 10 to the power of 2 means 100. If you did the 100 means 120.000 we are getting, right? Now we have to enter the value of I'm entering the same value. Let me check what it will happen. 123.456 and I'm entering the Q value as 1.2 E2 and entering now. So if you observe here PQ value, it is displaying 123.456 0 0 0 and q value is 1.2 0 0 0 0 because of precision values. After the point values, how many precisions it will take in? 6, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6. After the 6 we are getting the exponent value plus power value. And here we have mentioned in the point 12f. So if you observe here the point 12f, then what it happens, it is getting after the point 12 precision should be exist. Okay, so that is the simple example related to this chapter. Now once again I am coming here, I hope you have understand this concept. Now I am coming to this specification. Reading the string using WC and WS specification. Okay, I'm copying, I'm opening my notepad and I'm taking new file and I'm pasting. And what are the modifications we have to do? Void main and hash include std avo.h and hash include conio.h. It is compulsory, right? Next, after the variable declaration, we have to use clr scr clear screen function. And next, before closing the program, we have to use getch. So here you have to observe very carefully. Your %15c, you can type any number of characters from the keyboard, but it will store only 15 because you have mentioned here the size is 50. This is the character array, also called string, strings. Okay, now while displaying %s we have taken, if while entering, if you give the space, then what happens, this after the space value, whatever the value is exist, it will skip. Here also same thing, we have to read the values. So while reading, please observe here, for the integers we are going to be using ampersand. For the character and string, ampersand is not required in scanf, in only scanf. Okay, scanf, please observe here, in printf ampersand is not required. Got it? Yes, clear? Yes, here the %15s is given. Here it will also read n number of characters, but it will store only 15 characters. Okay, let me try this. Now what we have to do, first we have to save it. I'm saving. This is a string format, strform.c. okay, afterwards I'm opening my editor and I'm pressing the alt enter. I have to open my file. What is my file? strform.c. whether this is our program? Yes. Now I'm pressing alt F9. Is there any error? No error. I'm running now. Now it is asking enter the serial number, name 1. Okay, I'm entering 1 2 3 as a serial number, name as SMC DCA. Please observe, it is not taking. Why? Because /n, it has to supposed to give /n, right? Enter the serial name 2. It is also having error. I am entering 1 2 3 and I am entering Shirva space Manchakal. So what it is happening here? Please observe here. I have entered 1 2 3 as a number, Shirva space Manchakal, but it will display 1 2 3 Shirva. Manchakal is skipping. Why? Because %s. Okay, clear? Now we are not supposed to give any space. If we give the space, this is the problem. Let me take this space. You can able to identify. Once again I will run this program and explain you. Okay, here the 2/n is that this is no problem. Let me remove 1/n. Okay, here also space is not required. I'm removing. Yes, now let me check. Okay, it will accept 15 characters and I'm displaying that 15 characters. Compiling, running, it is asking for that 1 2 3. I'm giving the space. What is my name one? I'm giving SMC space BCA. What it will happen, we will see. I'm pressing the enter, not happening. I'm pressing the slash n. After the slash n only I'm getting 1 2 3 SMC BCA. Okay, and it is asking for the enter serial number name 2. I'm entering 456 and Sherva Manchakal. If you observe here, it has a displayed because it is a character, right? SMCBC has a displayed. While displaying the percentile S, while reading the percentile S, then what happens? Please observe here. While reading the characters using percentile S, it will takes, but it will skip at the display time. Okay, at the display time it will store only Shirva and it will skip Manchakal. Got it? 456 it will store only Shirva. Okay, we have to enter serial number 3 and name. Now I am entering 45, that is automatically this statement doesn't execute. Okay, why it is not execute? Already we have given the space. Clear? Yes. Now once again I am running the same program, Alt F9 and Control F9. Now please observe here, I am giving 1 2 3 space SMC space BCA space Sherva space Manchakal. Please observe here, SMC is a 3, space is also considering 4, BCA 3 7, afterwards space 8, SHIR 4 12 9 13 14 space 15 15. Manchakal won't comes. Got it? Clear? Here it is automatically. If you enter that, it won't store, it will skip, and it is not supposed to access for the rest also. Okay, likewise it will execute your program. Now I'm going to explain this special formats. The special format program, I'm copying this, let me copy, and I'm taking this, I'm taking the new. Okay, so we have to do modifications, that is void main, and here hash include std.h and hash include conio.h. afterwards, after the declaration of a variable, clear screen is required. Okay, here this is the statement of here, and I'm coming here. Yes. Okay, so what is the purpose of A to Z? You have to read only alphabets, it should not consist of any spaces. Okay, next I am using getch function. Now I am saving this file. Okay, I am saving with, this is azform.c. okay, yes, azform.c. this is my editor, right? I'm opening my file az.c. it is not getting. Why? We have to see that az, not az form, right? Okay, alt enter F3 is for az form dot c. Okay, now we got our program. So according to this, what happens? It will read characters from the keyboard, but it doesn't stores any special symbols, any other special symbols than other special symbol like in digits and any special keywords other than alphabets. Okay, yes. So let us save it, compile it, and run it. Whenever I'm entering, I'm giving Saint Mary's College. Please observe here, Sherva space 574116. But what I am getting the output, I will get only ST. Why? After the ST, it is consist of a dot, right? After the Mary's also it is a dot. That is a special character. It won't reads, it won't stores. Let me try. I'm not sure. Yes, it is giving only st. Why? Because it consists of a special symbol. What after the whenever it reaches the special symbol, it skips the entire string. Okay. Once again, I'm running the same program without giving spaces. St space Mary's space college space Shirva space 574116. Now let me check what it will happens. Okay, if I press the enter key, once again it is also giving only st. Why? After the st you have given the space, right? Even the dot is not a thing, blank space is also a special character, hence it is giving st only. Once again I'm compiling and running. Okay, while compiling and running I'm giving without space St. Mary's College Shirva hyphen 574116. Now it will display till to the St. Mary's College Shirva. Why it is skipping hyphen and 5746? Hyphen is a special character and it is a digit, so it doesn't reads. Okay, so that is the program related to this special specification, and we will see about this the same program, right? Let me modify here. And here it is, we have to supposed to use cap followed by cap symbol means shift 6/n. Okay, now I am saving this file save as with cap form means special form cap form dot c. I'm saving. Now what it will happens here? It will read the character until unless you press the enter, and whatever the size you have declared, that much only it will store. Now I am opening my editor and opening my file, that is cap form dot c. This is our program, right? Yes, let me check. I'm compiling and I'm running. So it is asking for the enter address. Wait, why? What happened? Clear screen. Yes, this is a clear screen, right? Void main function. Now I'm saving this, compiling and running. It is showing the previous one. Why? Alt F5, enter a character, clear screen. Is there any mistake? No mistakes. There is no mistake, right? But it is showing hash include stdio.h hash include conio.h clear screen get ch. Yes, it is right. I'm saving, I'm compiling and I'm running. Enter address, but it is showing previous one only. So if this form of errors comes, once again you quit your editor and save it, close it, minimize it and close it. Once again open your editor. Okay, start Turbo C++ editor. Now I am taking the cap form, I am compiling once again, running once again. Now you are seeing, right, enter address. So as we have declared the 80 size, what happens? Percentile, yes. What is the mistake here? It must consist of brackets. If it is not having a bracket means, then it will act as error. Okay, Alt F9, Control F9, it will accept. What if? So how long it will be accept? Until unless you press the enter key. Among this, it will store only first 80 characters. So to get more clarification on this, I will make only 15. If I make a size as a 15, now you will clearly identify what it will happen. Okay, Alt F9, Control F9. Now I am entering st dot whatever the characters it will accept. College Shirva 574116 and Manchakal BCA is good. Okay, so if you see here, S is one character, T is dot is one character, space is also character. 4 Mary's College Shirva, and it consists of some number of characters. Out of this, how many character it will store? Only 15 characters. If I display here, it is displaying. Okay, why? But while displaying, I am mentioning it as a 80. Okay, please observe here. While displaying, I am mentioning the width as 80, so that is why it is displaying the entire character. Suppose if I make it as a 15, now saving, compiling and running, I am entering the same data. Mary's College Shirva 574116 Manchakal good for learning. Okay. Oh, once again it is getting the same output. Why? Actually we have to see here, right? So we have, let me close and open once again. So this is a mistake. Actually it has to not supposed to give like that. Open it, start a Turbo C++ editor, and I am closing all the window. I have to open my file. What is my file? Capform.c. Yes. So how long it has to accept? Until unless I press the enter. But how many characters it is to store? Only 15 characters, right? Or I will give only 5 characters. Now let me see what it will happen. Okay. I'm saving, compiling, running, and I'm giving SMC, BCA, SHIRVA, and these things. I'm entering. What is happening? So it is displaying every information. So maybe here some fault is exist. Okay. Actually, it is not supposed to display. Here it is showing because of higher end version. We will see here. If we enter as it is, it will display as it is. Because the length is 80, it is displaying the 80. But here the length is not having 80, even though it is showing. Okay. So that's it. Anyhow, you try in your systems, then check this answer. If you are getting the same, then fine. If it is not getting the same, then we have to see. Okay. And some commonly used scanf formats. To read a single character, we are using %C. To read a decimal, %D. To read a floating point in exponent form, %E. Floating point, F. Okay. All these are there. It is better to have %D, %F, %E and %C and %S. That's okay. Yes, in the last class we have learned this special format related to the input functions. So these are very important 2 marks as well as 6 marks questions. So you, in previous question paper it has asked you just to go through this. Now we will see formatted output function. We have seen formatted input function. Now we are moving to the formatted output function. So while reading you are formatting your input, while displaying also you have to format the output. Let us see the first format, that is %WD. Which function is a formatted output function? Printf. If you are using in a printf WD, then it indicates within that width you are printing that characters. Okay. So for example, if you see here an example, int a is equal to 30, you are taking printf %4d a. Then what does it mean? Within a 4 width. Please observe here. This is I am taking it as a width for your understanding purpose. I am taking within this 4, this 30 should be fit. Here 3 and 0 will be fit. Okay. So this is how your output will appears. Because the first 2 width is remaining as blank spaces. Okay, suppose if I make this width with minus, then it will come left justification, so left alignment. In this 4 space, I'm displaying the value of a. It fits from 30 and blank spaces. Here your blank spaces you are not identifying in your output. For your understanding purpose, I'm taking it as a blank space. Okay, yes. So now we are seeing this. What does a minus indicates? Minus indicates means blank spaces. Okay, now if I take %04d, whatever the blank spaces exist, that will be replaced with zeros. Okay, if I take the plus symbol, it will be filled with either positive values. Okay, so likewise we are displaying. Now let us see here. A sample example is exist. I'm printing %d 9876. It is a printing 9876. If I take 6 width, then you're seeing the 6 box. The 6 box indicates the 6 space. Within that 6 space, we are displaying the value of 9876. So first 2 spaces are left spaces are blank because it is filling from right to left. Okay. If it is I'm taking it as a %2d 9876, within the 2 width 9876 is not fitting right, obviously it will take as a 4 width. Okay, and if I'm taking a percentile minus 6d, so we are getting 6 blank spaces. Within the blank spaces, it is filling from left to right. Okay, yes, yes. Now percentile 06d, if the blank spaces is exist, then it will be filled by 0. Okay, yes, we have seen this program, right? Let me see this program output. Let me check this program output. I will copy this program. This program illustrate how it will run. Okay, copying this, and I'm taking your editor. Now I'm pasting this. So we have to see what modifications we have to done, and hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, void main function. After the variable declaration, you are seeing we have to type clr. Okay, %d means it will display as it is. %d means within a 10 space I am displaying this value of m. Okay, so it is from right to left alignment. 0 means whatever the spaces exist, it will be filled with 0. Minus means left to right. Right. %10 ld long double of n value, I am displaying the n value, and %ld minus n value will be displayed with minus. Okay, so for this I'm using get.ch, and I'm saving this file with form out, f-out.c, form out. Okay, I'm just giving form out.c, and I'm saving, and I'm minimizing these files, and I'm moving start turbo C++ editor. Now I'm taking the file open f-out.c. So this is our program. Now is there any mistakes? No mistakes, I think so. Now compiling, alt F9, control F9, we are getting the output. Okay, why it is getting as a 1 2 3 4 5 blank spaces? Because it is given as 10d. If you given the 10d, what happens? Within that 10d, within that 10 width, you have to display the value. Okay, here also 0 10d we have mentioned. Okay, so 0 10d means whatever the blank spaces exist, it will be filled with 0. Here minus the 10d is given, then it will be left aligned. Okay, likewise your value will be displayed here. Yes, and now I'm moving to the next topic, that is percentile WPF of output. So if you want to format the fractional numbers, you can use this format. Then what is the syntax? Percentile W.pf. This is for floating point output. Okay, W stands for width and point stands for precisions. How many width, within the width how many precision value should be appear. So if you see here 30, I'm taking the sample example as a float a is equal to 30.234. now I am displaying that printf function percental 10.4f comma a. Then what does it mean? Total width is a 10. In this 10 you have to supposed to take two point value is 4. Okay, total width is a 10. Out of a 10 you have to take 4 value as a point values. Got it? Yes. So here it is also same thing. If you print, you are getting the output is 3 spaces. Okay, why it is a 3 spaces? Blank is first 3 spaces is blank. Please observe here how many values are exist. 2 plus 3 5 and dot is 6. So first 3 spaces becomes a blank. Okay, so likewise it will print. Let me see a sample example here. Here the sample example is given. We will see that. Okay, and while coming to the scientific notation, we will follow percental w dot pe. W stands for width and p stands for precision. After the precision you are specifying the symbol e. Okay, so here percental 10 dot 2e. After the within the 10 width 2.2 values as a precision numbers, and it should be followed with e. For example, if I take 56.345, then how it will be print? Please observe here. It consists of 10 boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Right, so what does this 10 indicates? It is a 10 width. So how many point after the point, how many precision number should be exist? 2. So 5.63. After 63, what we have to get? E value followed by the rest value. Okay, so this is your third format of formatted output function. And here comes star dot star f format. If you are using star dot star in scanf, if you use percentage star, it will skip. But if you are using in the printf, you have to supposed to specify width and precision. Here the first star indicates the width and the second star indicates the precision. Okay, so here a sample example is exist. Here we are specifying int width comma precision. Next float a, in width we are assigning 12, precision it is a 4. Now I am giving the value as 34.2354. now I am displaying the value. What it will happens? Percental star dot star, how many width? 12. Within 12 width how many precision? 4. Okay, so here if you are using star dot star, you have to, while printing, you have to specify width and precision followed by the variable. Got it? So now let me check here. We are taking one value y is equal to 98.7654. now I am doing percentage 7.4f. what is the 7.4f? it is within 7 blank spaces, it must consist 7 width, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Within 7 width, after the point, it must consist of a 4 precision number. If I make a 7.2, please observe here, within the 7 point, after the point 2 values we are getting, but here we are getting the blank spaces. If I make it as a minus, then it is left aligned. So right side it becomes blank. If I make as a percentage f, it will display as it is without specifying the width. If I make as a percentage 10.2e, so I am taking the 10 width. Out of a 10 width, you are displaying the value dot 2e. Okay, now 11.4e, it indicates a minus 4. Printf minus 10.2e, here minus indicates the left align. So after the after displaying that, it is a point, actually here it is missed, 9.88e. see, please observe here, I am getting the 2 precisions only, right? Here it is presided as a 2. 2 indicates the precisions. After the 2 we are getting the e value. Okay, if I mention as a e, it will print as it is. Here it is 9 point, actually it is a point. Okay, yes. So here we are having this same sample program. I will copy and let me see whether it will works or not. I'm copying, I'm taking a file, new, paste, and what are the modifications we have to do in this program? Void main and hash include stdio.h hash include conio.h, and after here declaration of variable, what you have to do, you have to do the clear screen, clr scr. Okay, afterwards to get the output we have to use getch function. Now we want to save this file, right? So already you are familiar. Now I'm saving f1.c. Okay, this is the formats, right? I'm opening my editor, alt enter, f3. What is the name of a file? fout1.c. If I press, I'm getting my program. Is there any errors? You are identify here only, right? So as you know, 7.4 means within a 7 width this value will be displayed, right? So now I'm compiling and I'm running. While compiling and running, you are seeing the variation in your output because of width and precisions, and so that is your program. Yes, we see in this format. Fourth format is percentage star dot star, and we are moving to the fifth format of displaying the output. This is especially for character formats. To display the character formats, once again you are using the width. If you specify the width, what happens? Within that specified width the character will be displayed, but while displaying according to the width it will be filled the space or not. Okay, so C is a is printed with the preceding 3 spaces. According to this, 3 spaces will be preceded, and if you put as a minus symbol in front of width, then it is left justified. Okay, so that is your character formatting output. Now we are moving to the sixth format of output, that is %w.ps. This is for purely string. This is a very important. This question is asking for 2 marks as well as 5 marks, so please go through it. Okay, so let us see. If you want to display the string, then we have to use the width followed by the dot followed by the precisions. Width followed by the dot followed by the precision. Then you will see within this width and precision should be filled. So this is a 2 marks and 5 marks, very important question. Here we are seeing character str is equal to 100. This is the string declaration, string assignment or character array assignment. So what is the size of, what is the name of a variable? str. So what is it means? We are defining its size. What is its size? 100. What type of it is? Character. And equal to, after equal to, what you are doing? You are using equal within double quotation hello, right? Within a 100 space, what you are storing? Only hello. Then what is its length? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so total 5 characters is storing in 100 spaces, and rest 95 spaces are wasting. Okay, please make it. And now I am displaying the value. Now what it will happen? So 10.3s total we get 10 width. Among that we have to print only 3 characters of the string. Okay, total 10 width we are getting. In that total width, how many characters you have to print? Only 3 characters of the given string. For this, what is the output? It will print help. Okay, got it. So likewise the questions are asking, and here we are seeing %s. Here we are taking one simple example. We are assigned New Delhi 1G10001 containing 16 characters, and I am taking %s. If I take the %s, it will display as it is. Okay, New space Delhi space 110001, it will be display as it is. Here we have taken 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Afterwards 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Okay, so here we are taking totally 20 width. Please observe here. If I give %20s, then what happens? Within the 20 width I want to display. So total how many character exist in this New Delhi 110001? 16. So first 4 width is blank. Okay, If I give it as a %20.10s, then what happens? Out of 20 width, you have to print first 10 characters of this New Delhi 11000001. Got it? So likewise, it will print only first 10 characters. Suppose if I give %.5s out of, I do not know here, the width is not specified. So out of your string, it will print only first 5 characters. Okay, that is new. Afterwards, space is also one character, D will print. Now if you see here -20.10s, it is left aligned. It starts from left to right. Out of 20, I am using the precision as the 10. First 10 character will be displayed. If I say %5s, I have not give any precisions, right? If you give only the dot, it will print first 5 characters. If I have not specified the dot, then it is not a precision. Here it is taking as a width, right? In 5 width, it is not possible of a 16 width, so entirely it will display the output. Okay, now let us see here this simple example. You will see how this value will be displayed. Now I am copying, go to the program, file new, paste, and is there any mistakes? No mistakes, right? Okay, so here you are printing the character. Here it is a character array. It is a character variable. It will print only character. It is a character array. It is a string. So its size is 20. We have assigned this value. So now I am displaying %C, %3C, %5C, x, x, x. So %C means it will display normal A. %3C means within 3 width you are printing A. %5C means within 5 width you are printing A. How it will print? Right aligned. Okay. Why? Because it is not having minus. Once again you are having printf %3C, %C. Within 3 width you are displaying the x. What is the value of x? A. And once again A will be displayed. Got it? Afterwards you are displaying the string now. %s name as it is, it will display %20s as it is, it will display %20.10s. Out of this 20 width, first 10 characters will be displayed. Now %.5s, out of this only 5 characters will be displayed, that is Anil space will be displayed. Okay, and -20.10s, it will print left to right. So out of 20 width, it will display only first 10 characters. Now printf %5s, now it will display only name. Got it? Yes. Let me check whether it will work or not. What are the modification we have to do our program? Void main function dash include stdio.h dash include conio.h, and after the variable declaration we have to give clr scr function. After that clr scr. Okay, afterwards we have to give get ch function. This get ch function. Now this is a character format. I will give c form, character form. Okay, dot c. Saving. I'm opening my editor. Already I have minimized. Alt enter for the full screen. I'm opening my file. What is the name of the file? cform. cform.c. This is our program, right? Now I'm compiling this program. Is there any error? No error. Now I'm running this program. So you are identifying here why it is A, why it is a 3A. After the 3 space, A has print. Within a 3 space, A has print. Within a 5 space, A has print. Within a 3 space, A has print. And without a space, A has print. Okay. In Anil Kumar Gupta also it is printing, right? Likewise, you are formatting your output. Yes. So that is your topic, and hence this chapter is very important. Here this first unformatted function and formatted function we have learned. Those topics will be asked in this chapter as well, in the first unit as well as in the 4th unit. So these are the possible questions we are having. You just go through it, and also you just refer previous question papers. In previous question papers you are identifying various. So likewise this question is asking. Okay, please make a note. Hope you have understand this concept. We will meet you in next classes. Thank you. Bye.